We growing the market maybe just for certain products, any potential maybe moving towards the active pharmaceutical ingredients? Can speak to that.
Wow, that's very many questions at one go. Why are we not growing to the potential that we have? Straightforward answer, there's a lot of imports coming in. And why should we import products which are being manufactured by all these manufacturers? I mean, even I'm impressed with what is here. This has been a long time coming. So I think one of the first things we should be doing is, if we're manufacturing products locally, whether it be essential drugs, whether it be something that is in the pharmacy space, whether it's in the kiosk space, why do we need to import them? We're manufacturing them locally. Let's stop the importation, number one. Number two, we always talk about cost, price, quality, availability. They go hand in hand. You know, it's a well-known fact that you can go to your own kitchen and see what is being manufactured or what is being cooked, instead of going to a restaurant and seeing what's being done. So let's have the regulators see what's being done within Kenya, so they can see what's actually being manufactured. The other thing, which is really good, which Dr. C.E.O mentioned, and where Kenya is going towards ML3. When we get to ML3, anything that the regulator, any product that the regulator authorizes, does it really need WHO PQ? Because as Dr. C.E.O said, that quality is guaranteed. The minute a product is manufactured locally and it's approved by the local authority, the regulator, it is at the appropriate quality. I'm not saying that the quality levels are not there, they're there.
Yeah.
And thirdly, going to manufacture of the actives. I think we can, but it's too soon. We need to get our finished products to have a sufficient mass before we even start looking at the active. As of now, you just said, Dr. Menge said, we're not manufacturing, we're only manufacturing, I think, about 20% of the essential drugs, but I'd say we're still also manufacturing the pharmacy lines, the general sales products. So let us get to a stage where we can manufacture everything that is required locally, right, before we start thinking of active pharmaceutical ingredients. And it's also the same thing that was done in Bangladesh. They did not start manufacturing their active ingredients until they were self-sufficient in the finished products. Same with India. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. I want to turn to Dr.